If you love snacks, watch this, because I'm going to give you some of the best snacks to eat to get in shape. So if you want to lose fat, you want snacks with nutrients, especially protein. Get yourself some cheese, like Baby Bell, cheese strings, mini cheddar blocks here, for some tasty, high protein and healthy snacks on the go. Next is Greek yogurt. I like it with frozen fruit. You can also add in a scoop of protein powder for some extra protein and flavor. Finally, beef biltong. This is always going to be the best thing down the snack aisle because it's just beef, tastes delicious and full of nutrients. Follow for more value.